Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to make egg dots respond and dots respond in MegaPhoto. First, go to MegaPhoto. Ignore my face. It's if you're seeing the tutorial. So yeah.
Wait, Queso didn't comment on my video like you're banned. I'm for making the video. Who makes more music? And also my uncle. Yo, is that a skippity toilet?
Okay. Then go to don't go to KineMaster.
Effect.
Okay.
It also
Then go to KineMaster. Then go create a video on KineMaster. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Now time to do the pitches. So yeah. First do the pitches. The pitches are 0 and -12. So what's okay, then export the video.
Save with digital coupons at
I'll be back again.
Albertsons or Vons.
Okay, I'm back again. So then, if you want to post a video to YouTube, then do a video title. For me, I like to do Klasky Supo and the respond MegaPhoto version. Okay, then go press Alt Content. Then go save it not for kids. And the video is about to upload. So the video needs to be finished uploading. And that's how you make does respond on MegaPhoto.